Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Neeru Style Corner. Today I'm going to share a scrub which is very effective and also very useful for your skin. Today I am going to show you how to cleanse your skin deeply and remove dead skin cells very gently and make your skin glowing, and also it gives a dewy effect without applying any makeup. So let's get started. To make the scrub, we are going to take oats. Yes, oats. Here I'm just taking whole oats. If you want, you can grind the oats and use, but don't make it too fine powder. Make it coarse, as this is a scrub. I'm adding oats to the bowl. Next, I'm going to add honey to it. I am taking about a spoon. Next, add raw milk to it and mix it well until it softens and becomes little sticky. You need the sticky texture as it helps in cleaning your pores and removing the dirt. Use this scrub after washing your face and gently rub it onto your skin for about 3 to 4 minutes and leave it on your skin for about a minute or two and rinse it off with warm water. Oats help to treat the dry skin, remove the dead skin cells and excess oil and dirt from the skin. Adding honey and raw milk to oats helps in improving the skin's texture and brightening the skin. Honey soothes your skin and makes it soft and supple. Milk moisturizes your skin and nourishes your skin cells from deep within. Milk also helps in gently exfoliating your skin. This is the best DIY scrub you can make at home easily. So, try the scrub in this winter season and let me know the results. Hope this video was useful for you. Check out my other videos on my channel for more such videos. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Until my next video, bye.